Okay. Hello everyone, and I guess should I say welcome back? It's a start of a new week. So, but I did take something yesterday, kind of like my sentiments for the new week, and it's just 11 minutes past 9. It's a Monday, 13th November, and we have just taken out some liquidity. So, right now, I'm probably gonna go with the classic ICT silver bullet. And okay, so we've had our sweep, or should I just let me start all over again, or get rid of my current markings and just paste them again. Again, I use CAT Central African Time, so it's 9 a.m. the site, and then I forgot like the New York local time because I've gotten so used to using CAT. But yeah, taking out that high, that sweep, and now a MSS or market structure shift would be this low. I'm gonna go down to 1 minute time frame, and I'm still on my 30-point system, so only catching 30 points and then I'm out. Maybe I could be a little bit greedy and then go for more, but that usually doesn't really go like well or anything like that. So we have created a new low, like just now. My stuff just froze. What's happening? Okay. I don't know if like the timer was running still because my phone just froze. But we have created a new low. But I am still looking into this low being taken out. And then look for possible entries. So initial targets would be, I guess you could put it down here, right? Like this could be first target. And then 5 minute time frame, you could have something over here, right? So you have something over there, but again, I'm just going for 30 points and then that's it. And hopefully we get to have that, because I don't really like trading on Mondays. I do trade on Mondays, but I don't really like. Okay, this is a little minor low I had not seen over here, but I'm not gonna utilize that because it's a minor low, and usually they don't really do the most. But if I had to whip up my fib, probably have something. Okay, probably not. And I guess you could count that. I don't know if that's a sweep, but now our low has changed to this low because we created a new high now. And for the retail side of things, you could have this trend line, because remember I cater both for SMC and retail traders, so I don't want to leave anyone out. I find the whole thing pointless to argue on what system is better and stuff. So we have this, and then as soon as this breaks, maybe I could take another retail entry. Maybe, I don't know. We'll just see what happens. I just want to see if we're trading into any floors or any ceilings. looking at price over here. Okay, so if you have been paying attention in my previous stuff, we have this little trident formation, so that is a good indication for me that price may head back down. And this is more of a better sweep, to be honest with you, because it just takes this high out and then aggressively moves on lower. Like it just dropped lower after taking this out. Why is this giving me problems? It may be a sweep, it may not be a sweep. We shall see. It could be just a new high. But again, I actually don't think I'm going to be able to catch any trades right now. It's, it's still early, so we'll see. We're 6 minutes in, and we've just had our sweep. That's the only thing we've had so far, right? Just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. Hopefully, we get to break that low and cut some shorts to hopefully just start the week right. I'm gonna pause this for a while, and then if something happens, I'll. Okay, so we pierced through another high. I don't want to get cocky and then start looking for longs. So if by 10 we don't have any shift, then that means we don't have any trade for now. So we'll see. It's coming back. Oh, please come back. It's coming back. Mm. Hmm. So took out a high. I'm getting bored of waiting for any amount to be taken out. And I don't want to like rush in and then take a long, only for that long to be, I don't know, taken out. But let me see if there's any possible um maybe that's high. Maybe that's high to be taken and then boom. I think by definition, or we are in some order block over here. I'm not gonna draw it out because it's too big and it will be distracting for me. But these two candles, if you want to like put a rectangle and then just like draw it straight out, we are currently in that. But we are just properly following bullish order flow, like just from one bullish order block before we get to another and another and another. But at least now we have another low to why did I copy that? Concentrate on, because I honestly don't really like it if the lows create and then we have another more beautiful sweep. So I think this is a move that was highly anticipated. I no, but it's going back. Patience is honestly not one of my biggest suits, guys. I'm getting so impatient. But I mean, we might have a tighter stop to work with, so I guess that's a good thing. And if we do break this low, we are kind of far from that trend line that we drew. And obviously price, if price does break that trend line, then price will have to go back up and then retest and then drop, and that will be after 10. So I doubt I'll be able to take any entries, but fuck it, man, it's a Monday, so we shall do what we shall do. So there's a fair value gap that I'm looking at right now, and hopefully price breaks through this so we could take entries from it. If price mitigates it right now, I I maintain the video, Sham. Like, please don't, please don't. I am begging it not to be me, because I'm not going in right now. Let's see. Like, please break, please, 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 please break, break. Doesn't want to break. Oh fuck! Finally, it broke. So candle must close, and once it closes, I'll be more than happy to get back in as soon as we let me get my orders out, so we could sell this whole. I just call this placement like when price just drops heavily on time. So we have some displacement, we have an order block, we have a breaker block, we have everything, like every single thing. I think we're about to break the trend line also. Like, we have everything. So now what's missing is that price must come back up and just hit something. It's coming. Thing is now, like, if it hits the breakup block, I'm probably not gonna catch this trade. Like, I'm probably gonna miss it, because I never really use breakers, to be honest. I only use, or literally only, fair value gap spot. If my trident forms at like at the breaker, then I'll be way more than happy to actually get involved. So right now I'm looking for a trident going into the opposite direction. Now take note of this low. Did it break? I highly doubt. I'm just gonna measure it out with the fib. Did it go below this low? By a point, maybe. Is it enough? I honestly have no idea, but I'm not really doubting the setup, so I would still be more than happy to take this if it went down the way. And you may be like, okay, cool, but like, why are you counting, or why do you have your breaker as, wick to wick? Isn't it supposed to be body from body? Yes, but again, I don't really enter at my breakers. I just use them as like sources of some type of confluence that, hey, price could, drop from this level or something, and then I look for a trident after that anyway. So yeah, even if you don't know what I'm referring to when I say trident, it's basically a pattern that looks like this, but has like this 3-point formation. I don't know what to call it, so I just give it a name. What is the encouragement of this candle? So like midway point of that candle, I think, and rejecting it, and then right at the tip of that breaker's wick, though the high, we have a doji, so that's a good sign of a possible trading coming up. This candle is still going up. I hope not. That doji did close below the fair value gap, so it's a good sign. I'm just hoping this candle closes with a bit of more body, So it's like convincing enough to actually get in. Or let it, no, it's not giving it in vibes. It's giving Zimbabwe. Okay, maybe going on down. Some body. It closed. Okay, now I should get in, right? Yes, but I'm not going to because it didn't even go past this candle's low, like the body. So it's not it's not in the cards for me yet. I want to see it at least close below this candle's low at least. Because normally I want to see it close behind this candle's body or this candle's low, and then I'll be like, okay, cool. And then that's like a whole star formation, right? Like the evening star type of thing. And then I'll be like, okay, cool, it's time to get in. But it did not give me that as yet. So the next trident that we'll be looking at will be this candle and then this candle. If it closes higher than this candle's high, and then the next candle closes lower than this candle's high, then okay, cool. But it's not giving that. So, who? See, so if you just would have like have gotten in at the fair value gap, there's really nothing wrong with that. But imagine if it just like goes above and then your stop loss is over there and then you get rated. Yeah, now I avoid that by looking for, I guess, the trading thing. So let's try. We have like 20 minutes left, so we have 20 candles left. I feel like we have about to have like a marigold engulfing candle, and am I gonna enter? Probably not. Probably not. We'll see on how powerful the move actually is. So you have like some SMC mentors that would like count this candle as an order block. I mean, we're still in this order block, and technically we're counting, the midway point of it. So I guess it's okay. I think we're about to have a trading. Oh, finally. Well, I'm about to press buy, and it's not gonna be my fault. It's gonna be somebody's fault. You see now. Still not gonna get them because we didn't pass that candle's low. I'm gonna give you guys some advice, man. In life, you must never trade with your girlfriend in the room. You must never. Check out the lows. Hopefully, okay, I'm getting in. And nothing happened. Damn. My speed is so far. Ooh. See, this is something that I don't like because now my stop loss is gonna be more points than my take profit. So I. But we're dropping down nice. So if we do break that low, I wouldn't have a problem with like keeping my stop up here, which is 30 points. I'm not gonna put a stop because then my spread is gonna take me out before it gets to where I actually want it to be. So I'm just gonna like monitor the damn thing, and then I'll get out, and it tells me to get out. Hey. We are just waiting for something to happen. Some. About to take a loss. Oh, we actually make profit. I hope we make profit. I want my 30 points. There's not even gonna be a 1-1 risk to reward. So on a bigger time frame, you would have the trident, right? So basically a lower time frame head and shoulders. So you have something there. So on a like a more larger time frame, like a 5 minute, you would have like candles with these. That's why I love this, and also the evening or morning star, which is where you would actually find this curve type of thing, because it is similar with the head and shoulders. And personally, I feel that the head and shoulders is the like you can get the most accurate trades from it, right? If you just have it in line with like some other things, maybe if you even use indicators and stuff like that, try merge the stuff with the head and shoulders pattern of formation. And I don't guarantee, I don't promise you anything but Monopoly Cash, you feel me? So I promise you, if you start doing that, like just incorporating the head and shoulders formation pattern, whatever you want to call it, into your strategy, bro, you're about to make some nice Monopoly shit. You see what I'm saying? Because remember, here, guys, you talk about Monopoly money. We don't talk about anything else. It's just Monopoly Cash, and that's it. So we're dropping down. If we go on creating another fair value gap and then we tap into it, I may enter again, even though I'm not allowed to. I'm just doing it to be fancy or some shit for the sake of the content and the sake of the viewers and stuff for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Let me get rid of like all these markings in a visual see. My stop again is supposed to be above the head. So whenever you're trading, like if you are gonna trade the head and shoulders, I recommend or suggest that your stop go above the head and never really above or below any shoulders, right? Maybe you like I don't actually know what the books tell you where your stop should be on the head and shoulders, but I think, because I mean, like, I went through this head and shoulders thing a very long time ago, and I've always really had it above the head, even though I was not really told to have it there. I was just like, I don't know, I'm gonna have it above the head, because I noticed with like when I was first starting out doing this and actually incorporating the head and shoulders into my work, the shoulders are not reliable. Hey, to put your stop there, it's not reliable, bro. Like if I had my stop above the shoulder right now, I'd be taking out. Just honestly speaking, I'd be taking out because of my spread. But I don't know. I'm gonna whip up my fib right now. Maybe we could get a golden entry. An OTE. Shouts out ICT because he wants everybody to reference his stuff. So we have this, and the gold zone is kind of far. But we shall see. But again, I'm not just gonna enter by the gold zone as soon as it gets there. I'm gonna enter as soon as I see my trident form, and then it hits the gold zone, my trident forms. I'll be way more than happy to actually enter. So I hate drawdown. I really hate drawdown, man. Like, it's the boring things that you could ever actually have when trading. It's whack. It's fucking whack, my. But I'm really hoping that the trend line breaks, because we kind of dancing along that area. If you've seen my previous videos, you'd know that I count the trend line. Like, I'm not really fixated on having them perfect, even though I was kind of struggling with having it on a specific point. But it's more of an area, like how you'd have your classic support and resistance. You have them as areas and not specific pinpointed points, even though I would have my quote unquote support and resistance, or I would like to call them my floors and ceiling, at fixed numbers and round even numbers, right? And then maybe draw a box around it, and then that would be your area around that specific point. Kind of is an entire area. So the same goes for your trend lines. They're not just a specific, like, price won't exactly go that. I think that's why people. I'm about to sneeze. People have this notion of like fake outs and whatnot, but if you actually have it at an area, you'd see that it's not necessarily fake out. It's still doing its job, just respecting that area, and that's it. Oh my god, can this thing just drop already? Because I am. What's the time right now? I mean, we're already in the trade, so I can like manipulate this however I want, I feel. But I would really like to get a second entry, and then I would count 15 points, and that's not a lot of distance, honestly. And then my 3 points will be done. But we'll see what's actually happening, because this is like going on forever. Never. I'm really hoping it gets to the gold zone, and then from they give me a trident, so I can enter in again, and then I'll probably take my profit from that trade once my other trade gets in profit, because I think that's more than 30 points to cover the distance. Imagine if it takes me out, man, I'll be so pumped out. I will be so pumped out. Like, this block is invalid. I'm gonna remove my markings for fair value gap and so on and so forth, and then this, because it's done, we've already used them and stuff. I think I'm already be taken out. Oh fuck, what a way to start the week. Hey, what a way, please don't take me out. Like, please don't. If you do, I'm finna cry, bro. Like, I'm finna cry, bro. I'm gonna have my stop over there. I wanna have it like this. As soon as price gets there, I'm out. I am out. I would have lost. How many points is this? Bro, that's like almost 50 points. That's not fair. That's not at all fair. But we're watching it. We are watching it. We are watching price go. For fuck's sakes. This does not really make a good trident. But like, no, it's not a nice one. It's really not a nice one. I'm gonna just drag this across like so. hopefully we just fucking get to get something. If I take a loss, can somebody please like comment in the comment section, obviously, like, cause someone just tell me like what I did not have my or what I missed and stuff. Again, if you watched my first video, I do encourage you guys to criticize, not really criticize, but like, you know how you guys ever heard of constructive criticism? That's what I need, right? So if you see something that I don't see and then actually end up taking on us in any video, not just this one, please let me know. Like, be like, hey dog, this is what you missed out on, and this and this and that, and this and this and that, and this and this and that. I would highly, highly, highly appreciate that. Whether it's like retail or ICT or anything, just let me know, please, and thank you. 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. Some displacement and a possible fair value gap coming out of our gold zone. Shouts out HCT, by the way. The credit hall. No, I'm joking. It's a gold, I guess, in some way. Oh, another. We broke some minor lows going to the upside. So would I interrupt again? Not really, because I did tell you guys I was looking for a trident, and like, aren't you gonna count this as a trident? No, I don't want to. I really, really don't want to, because that's messy, bro. He could turn flip the seat, bro. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that because we are done using it, and I'm gonna draw this out only because okay, now that like we are taking out the trend line, we know that we're supposed to go back and retest it, right, and then drop down lower. So imagine if we actually retest it over there. This low has not been taken out yet. I want to see this low being taken out. Then I'll be happy. Gosh, I'll be very, very happy. Only because then I'll be able to adjust my stop. Not even this low, bro, because it did not create a new high, dog. Must be this low. So, oh man, it's so far down. Like, it's so far down. Okay, but we broke the trend line. So, I mean, we're with a couple of lows that really did not create a new high, because technically you could say we were trading from this range to that range, like this low to that high, and then we're just like really moving in between. So I'm not really counting these as much as I would like to. I don't know what I mean, but I hope you guys at least know what I mean. Who that? Oh, okay, there's nobody. New friends book suggestion. We've only like really pierced through this, and that's kind of scary, because like imagine if that's the sweep. I don't want that. I really would not want that, because that means, we're going on, go down. Fuck's sakes. I really want to adjust my stop, guys, because it's not giving me good vibes. Really, it's not giving me good vibes, guys. I feel like I'm gonna cry. Okay, so every time I utilize trendline breaks, I would wait for the retest, and then in this case, whatever low we formed while creating the retest, as soon as that low breaks, then you would enter. So basically, you have something like this. So price moves on there. I'll be looking at this low to enter from as soon as price breaks, and then you'd enter at the closing candle off that break. So we do have a low right now, which can be seen as a sweep, because sweeps are just like instant, right? Like, you pierce through a certain high or low and then move on back up higher. So which is what's happening right now. Hopefully not. Hopefully this is the entire retest that we see, and then if we break that low, that would be the retail entry. And then stop would be kind of far, still over here, only because the stops would be above the head, right? Until new structures being formed and stuff like that. And then I guess you'd be like, okay, cool, but like that is new structure, right? Okay, cool, yes, it is, but like I'm still waiting for this to be broken, guys. And technically, yes, breaking this low would be breaking this low because they relatively equal, right? But I still, guys, I want more confirmation. Like, I'm not gonna enter off this right now, am I? Let me see something. Let's see something, guys. Let's see. Let us see something. Okay. Let's not go with that. Okay, so my girlfriend's phone rings and then my rings. What the fuck? Decline that hoe. Decline that hoe. If you guys see numbers that you don't know, decline that hoe. I'm probably like trim that out. I'm joking, I'm not going to. So waiting for two sets of lows to be broken, and we only have 2 minutes remaining until trade, and I have to be somewhere by 11. The fuck is that? Come on. I think this is the longest video I've made, right? Because I thought my first one was long, but this one is long, dog. Should I indicate that I was live feeding? Because I did not in the other one where I was live trading, making monopoly money. This one I think I should, because I don't know if I can froze again. Okay, it did not. Let me pause this just so it's not like too long, and then I'll let me get rid of these because I often make mistakes. Yeah, I don't know how many times I've made a mistake, like trying to move something or something, and then I end up buying or selling when I'm not supposed to buy or sell. And my girlfriend has did that before. I think she bought something or she sold something, and I was like, "Hey, what the fuck?" She's like, "What did I do?" And I'm like, "This is what you did." And she does not really understand the stuff, so she didn't know, right? For her, like, okay, cool. And then I showed her, I was like, I made a loss. Like, how much? I'm like, I don't know, like a few rands. Is like, oh fuck you. No, I'm joking. That didn't happen. She really did press though, and then she didn't actually know what was happening. And she's like, okay. And I was like, fuck. You understand what I'm saying? Because that shit's annoying. Like, it really is annoying. This thing is like getting my hopes up because I was thinking that you know what, we are gonna break the low. Because I want to pause, right? I want to know if I should pause or not. Like, can it at least tell me, like, hey, I'm about to take my sweet ass time to do 1, 2, 3 something, because I doubt you guys want to like listen to me, right? Let me pause. Okay, so now we have some fuckery happening now. Can you see this? I don't like seeing this. I really don't. Um, that is higher, and then this is lower. So I have, in my mind, I'm like, get out, right? Like, just dip, bro, because, yeah, no. Like, is that lower or higher? But I can't do that though. I can't get out manually. I don't want to get out manually because we're not allowed. Okay, they're relatively equal. I thought like, nah, you know what? These a trading type of thing. Apparently, it's not. Like apparently, it's not. We are still this thing this fucking low, and it's getting to me now. Like it's kind of pissing me off. Right when I say it's pissing me off, it decides to go lower. Like, you know what? Like, it's fine, honestly speaking. Like, I don't care. Where's my 30 points? Make it 35. No, no. The only reason I'm making it 35 is because I want to make a certain amount. I only want to make 5 grand as an amount. It's the only amount I want to make right now. Why do I want to make that? You'll see. You'll see. Just keep up with the channel, and then you'll see. Oh my butt. Yeah, this is I don't know. I think I can adjust my stop loss, guys. Finally. Two. That's not even like a lot, honestly. But it's a lot, dog. Yeah, it's a lot. Let's see. What are we planning on doing? What are we planning? What is you planning? I thought but I did not. Modify that whole. Reason I'm turning in an all back truck. Like, trying to press my luck. I don't want to pause this because I mean, like, if it smashes through take profit, then you know what I'm saying, like, it smashes through. Again, I could like trail and then trail to that 30 points and just like leave it, and then when I check my charts later on, guys, what's the time? Because I should be fine. Like, I should leave soon. I should be somewhere soon. That's what I'm saying. I should be somewhere. I'm gonna get rid of this trend line because I don't need it anymore. Imagine this is really a fake out, and then I was talking trash about fake outs. I'm like, oh no, it's never really a fake out. It's the area. There's a fake out. Ha ha ha! I got your bitch. Or some shit. Ooh. I'm not gonna like fuck. Decline. I'm gonna decline your ass. I'm declining your ass. Yo, do you guys see that? Is a break on that? Man, it's a breaker, dog. It's a breaker, dog. I'm gonna pause this because guys, this thing has been playing with my emotions. Like, I don't know for how long now, but it's been going down, man. It's been going down, guys. I don't wanna lie. Like, I don't wanna lie. Because I've been thinking it's gonna create like another head and shoulders, the inverted one. And then they would like be like, I know I'm out. But now it's just going for another block, and then Heish. Heish. I only unpause because I think it's about to do what I've been wanting to do. Ah. I'm gonna manually close because what? Wait, but like now what's what's happening? Why is the profit so low? It's so low because now I'm expecting like 5. Hi guys, what's happening? My 30 points is now. He's not doing the most. Just not doing the most. I'm just gonna go for regular take profit. And if I'm fucked up at the end of this, then I'm fucked up. But I'm gonna do that and then have a stop loss. And because I need to leave anyway. Hello. Yeah. Good enough, guys. And I guess I will see you when I see you. Cheers, everyone. Maybe like I'll do a part 2 and then post it for the sake. Oh, but like I said, you can post screenshots on YouTube now, so we shall see. But yeah, good luck, guys, with your endeavors and whatnot.